My little artists. We're going to learn the letter C. C is for cat. Can you say the letter C?
K.
Great job! Let's trace the upper letter C together. Follow the dotted lines with your finger or your pencil. Nice and smooth. Perfect! Look at this adorable cat. Let's give the cat the colors. It can be orange, black, gray, or even white, but I used pink and gray. Let's color it together. Don't forget to color the letter C too. Make it bright and fun. You're doing great learning ABCs. Thanks for coloring with me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun alphabet adventures. See you next time for the letter D.